Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Everyday Fashion. In this channel, I will be talking about the underlying concepts of fashion and styling. I hope that these tips and tricks will help you discover your unique style and up your everyday fashion game. So let's start. We live in a world full of colors, isn't it? Now, some of these color combinations just grabs your attention while others are more soft and smooth in the eyes. Today, we will learn some basic things about color combinations. Here we can see two images of fruits. They are similar in shape and size. They also have the same kind of leaves. Now, which of these images caught your attention first? It's the red berries, isn't it? Well, can you tell why? The answer to that lies in this color wheel. As you can see, it is a wheel of colors. But where did this come from exactly? Let's see. First, we start off with the three primary colors: red, yellow and blue. By combining the primary colors two at a time, we get the secondary colors: violet, orange and green. Now, we combine the secondary colors two at a time to get the tertiary colors: red-orange, red-violet, blue-violet, blue-green and green-yellow. As you have guessed, this can go on and on till we get a very dense and complicated color wheel. Well, for this lesson, we shall stick to this basic color wheel. Back to our question. Why did the red berries appear more catchy? The reason is that red and green are complementary colors. They appear on exact opposite sides of the color wheel. Complementary colors, just like the name, complement each other well and hence they give off amazing contrast. In general, if we choose colors on the opposite sides of the wheel, even if not exactly opposite, you can still create good contrast. As for the second image, the grapes are sort of bluish violet in color. Green and blue violet are in the same half of the wheel and much closer, unlike red and green. Hence, the contrast is less in comparison. As we move to much closer combinations in the color wheel, the contrast keeps reducing. So, if we are choosing the colors next to each other, called the analogous colors, they create a very smooth and harmonious look. In the picture shown here, the grapes are yellow-green and the leaves are green. They are neighboring colors in the color wheel and hence, the grapes do not stand out in the image like the red or the blue-violet ones. Now, let us apply what we have learned so far about colors in choosing combinations for our clothes. In the first picture, the contrast is evident as it has a red and green complementary color combination which we have already seen. Moving to the next picture, the skirt is violet and the top is closer to orange-yellow, which are not exactly opposite in the color wheel but still very much on the opposite sides and hence having good contrast. Coming to the third picture, the blue-green pants against red-orange top is once again a complementary combination. Here, I must add that the color wheel doesn't include all the possible colors. It was chosen just to get an idea. Harmonious dressing uses the least contrasting colors, which means we are choosing colors in the same half of the color wheel and as close as possible. The colors blend well amongst each other and give a smooth and soft look. Here in the last picture, the dress has yellow, yellow-green and green combination, the three neighboring colors in the color wheel. Same way, the first picture shows a blue, blue-violet and violet combination skirt and top. Now look at the middle picture. It is an orange dress with red and red-violet prints. Whether you must go for contrast dressing or harmonious dressing depends on two things. First one, your personality. Second one, the occasion. One important thing to keep in mind is contrast dressing doesn't always have to be too bright. Same way, harmonious dressing doesn't mean too dull. Another thing to note is, instead of different parts of the clothes being contrasting or harmonious, we can also apply the same concept in the design of the dress, like a print or embroidery, or the accessories we add, like a hairband, scarf, belt, shoes, etc. Color wheel helps us understand how colors and combinations work. Designers and artists in every field rely heavily on the color wheel for creating interesting color combinations, whether it be choosing colors for painting your home or designing clothes. So, we have from simple to very dense color wheels within numerous colors. But more on that in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos on everyday fashion tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.